Well, hello, this is Billy Bob, and this is Asian Redneck Show. Today I want to talk about love yourself. That's right. Do me a favor. Listen very closely now. Do like this. Pucker up, pucker up your lips like this. Mwah, 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 mwah. And now start kissing yourself on your hand. Mwah, 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 mwah. Say, I love myself. Man, if you ugly, if somebody says you're ugly, even if you think you're ugly, every day in the mirror say to yourself, look at me. I am so beautiful. Ooh-wee, baby, I'm so hot looking. Now, even if it's not true, just say it to yourself, because you know what? There's somebody uglier than you. That's right. If you're smart, even a little bit of smart, and I'm going to give you a test right now. So, okay, do this. What is two apples and 2 more apples? How many is that? That's 4. If you figured that out, I'll give you another one. What's 3 apples plus 3 apples? Come on, what's the answer? Is it 1, 3, 7, 6? Bing, 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 bing. You got it. Congratulations, you smart. So kiss yourself. Ready? Mwah, 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 mwah. Kiss yourself on your hand. Look at yourself in the mirror and say, maybe, ooh, wait, I'm so smart. I'm intelligent. I'm a genius because I can figure out how to count apples. And if you can count apples, you can count anything else, especially money. And bling, bling, hey, $2 and $2 is 4. Keep adding them up, and you're going to be a multi-millionaire pretty soon. So a lot of us, man, there's a lot of people don't love us. Sometimes it's our own family. Oh, you don't know what you're talking about, Billy Bob. You just a dumb donkey. Billy Bob, you so ugly. Man, you so ugly, you scared all the pigs away. Oh, Billy Bob, you were never too smart. You don't even know how to add 573,425 plus 752,481. Well, I just told him, well, do you? Because I don't know how. Do you know how? If you don't know how, you just as dumb as I am. So, a lot of people always putting you down. It might be at school, it might be at work, it might be your friends, it might be your family. Sometimes, sadly, it might be yourself. You might just say, I'm not good enough for that job. I can't apply for that kind of work. I can't be a manager. I can't be a big boss. I can't be a CEO. I can't be. Well, you got to change your programming, baby. Know what I'm saying? Dang, I had to change mine. And if I could change, you could change. You know what I'm saying? So, what you need to do is every morning when you wake up, go to the mirror. First of all, brush your teeth because they stink. You know, you sleeping all night, snoring. You snoring like a sow, like a pig. Don't go brush your teeth first. Okay, after you done brushing your teeth, all right, look at yourself in the mirror, pucker up them lips, mwah, 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 and kiss yourself on your hands. If you could kiss yourself on your elbow, or I don't know, kiss your foot. Suck on your toe, baby. Know what I'm saying? Anyway, say to yourself, I am smart. I am a genius. I am a good person. I am loving. I am kind. I have style. I have swag. A chinga dinga jinga jing. I got swag going on. People love me. People look up to me. People need me. This world needs me, baby. You know what I'm saying? The world needs you. You know what? If you don't believe it, just keep saying it to you and believe this. I need you. That's right. Hit a like, follow, and just follow me because I need you. I don't need your money. I just need you. Because you know what? We're all connected. You know, we're all made out of stardust. There's another article. There's another post that I posted about stars up in the sky. Stars, well, why are they up there? I don't know, but I know that you're down here and I'm down here and we need each other. So just remember to love each other and love yourself. Love yourself first. Kiss yourself, hug yourself, you know, lay down, hug a pillow and pretend the pillow's hugging you back. I don't know, but just, you got to take care of you. You know what I'm saying? Please, please, please. Anyhow, this is Asian Redneck Show. This is Billy Bob. I love every single one of you. Have a good day. Have a good night. Have a good life. And mwah, 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 baby.